You will need Quartzgrip decking strip, cutting saw with diamond or stone blade, tape measure, pencil marker, screws, adhesive. Step 1. Preparation. Lay the decking strips face down and cut to size using an untoothed blade. It's always best to cut face down, as cutting face up may blunt the blade or grab the material. Mark and drill the holes. Turn over, face up, and countersink the drill holes. Step 2. Fitting. Apply adhesive liberally to the back of the decking strip in a lazy S shape. If you apply a straight line, make sure you apply plenty of pressure to the decking strips to spread the adhesive, otherwise it may rock. For best adhesion, apply in dry, dust-free conditions. Now screw the decking strips securely in place, make sure the screws are flush and not protruding. Clean away any dust or debris and hose down once adhesive has hardened. Contact sales at steponsafety.co.uk or call us on 01206 396446 or visit our website www.steponsafety.co.uk.